All right, here we are. We're gonna redo this deck. So it's gotta start with some scraping and getting this old finish off, these rotten boards. And I'm gonna be working on prepping the deck first. I'll be back in a minute. Now, I don't know about you, but this stuff is tedious, so I do it one board at a time, from front to back. Okay, friends, I gotta stop you right there. Don't do what you've just been watching. My God, I can't believe that I spent so many hours with a little scraper. Watch what I do for the rest of this video. Essentially, I bought a diamond bit and I used my die grinder, and literally it took me 1 hour to finish the rest. Now, it's not easy work. You're gonna get rough down on your knees and your back is gonna be aching. But if you use a diamond grinder like I did, it just makes it smooth sailing, and it's actually very satisfying to watch it all come right off the wood. So that's my advice. Go get a diamond grinder wheel, and a die grinder. Sorry, I misspoke. Forgive me. But at least hopefully now I've saved you the effort of using a scraper to do your deck. Don't do that. That's just, I can't believe I even started that way. So that's it. That's the short interruption. Watch and see what happens for the rest. Take care.